Hi, my name is Scott Strohs, and this is MySQL Shorts. Before we can copy any data, we first need a new MySQL instance to copy the data to. Here, I'm using Deploy Sandbox instance to create a new instance of MySQL running on my local machine on port 4444. When the new instance is created, we connect to it by using \c root at localhost : 4444. To show that I'm not doing any post-production tricks, let's take a look at the schemas in this new instance. I run the query show schemas to list the schemas in this instance. Notice all we have is the system schemas. Before we can copy data, we need to set a global variable. We need to set the variable local_in_file to on. The target instance is now ready to accept data. Let's switch back to the main instance. To copy one or more schemas, we use util.copy schemas. In this example, we're using 3 arguments. The first is an array of schema names, which we're just using MySQL Shorts. The second is the connection string for the instance we want to copy the data to. Here, it's root at localhost on port 4444. Lastly, we use an options object to specify that we want this to be done using 8 threads. When the process is done running, we'll see information about the data that was copied. We can see how many schemas were dumped, how many tables were dumped, and how many rows were written. Okay, now it's time to check our work. We're going to connect to the new instance one more time. And then once we're connected, we're going to run the show schemas query again. Look at that. A MySQL short schema now exists in our new instance. We're going to do one more test by querying data from one of the tables inside of the MySQL Shorts schema. We do select star from MySQL Shorts.games, and then we order it by score and limit by 5. And wow, look at that, we have data. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe. Also, there'll be a link in the description for any code or files we used during this video.